Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a full, in-depth review of the 2025 BYD Atto. This all-electric SUV has been making waves in the EV market, and in this video we'll cover every angle from its stylish interior and eye-catching exterior to its impressive performance and competitive pricing. Whether you're considering a switch to electric or just want to learn more about the Atto, this review will give you all the details you need, so let's get started. Let's kick things off by stepping inside the 2025 BYD Atto. When you first sit in the Atto, it's clear that BYD focused on delivering a high-quality, tech-friendly experience. The materials are upscale, featuring eco-friendly leather and soft-touch surfaces that give the cabin a refined feel. BYD has really prioritized comfort here with ergonomic seating that supports you well on both short and long drives. The front seats are power adjustable and offer heating and cooling options, which is a nice touch for varying climates. Even in the rear, passengers are treated to a spacious layout with plenty of legroom and headroom, so it's perfect for family trips or carpooling with friends. Moving on to the tech, the Atto's interior is packed with features designed to make your driving experience as convenient and connected as possible. The centerpiece is a massive 15.6-inch central touchscreen that BYD has designed with a rotating option, so you can switch between portrait and landscape modes depending on what's most convenient. The interface is intuitive and offers smooth integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to access navigation, music, and apps. There's also a customizable digital driver's display that shows everything from speed to battery levels and navigation cues right in your line of sight. This setup makes it easy to keep track of essential info without taking your eyes off the road for long. BYD has also added plenty of storage options in the Atto. The trunk offers a generous amount of cargo space, and with the rear seats folded down, you get even more room, perfect for a weekend getaway or a trip to the store. There are also several smart storage compartments throughout the cabin, including a large center console, door pockets, and cup holders for both front and rear passengers. Overall, the interior is not only spacious but also highly functional, catering to both everyday and adventure-ready needs. Now let's move to the exterior, where the 2025 BYD Atto really shines in terms of style and presence. BYD has created a design that's both modern and timeless, ensuring it stands out on the road without being overly flashy. Starting at the front, the Atto sports a distinctive grille that's been adapted for its electric nature. Flanked by sleek LED headlights, the grille gives the car a bold, confident look. The headlights themselves are adaptive, automatically adjusting based on driving conditions, which adds a layer of safety as well as style. From the side, the Atto has a streamlined profile with a high belt line and a subtle sloping roofline, giving it a sporty yet sophisticated vibe. The wheels are another highlight. BYD offers a choice of 18-inch or 20-inch aerodynamic wheels designed not only for style but also to reduce drag, which contributes to the car's efficiency. The flush door handles are a nice touch, blending into the body for a seamless look, while also improving the car's aerodynamics. At the rear, the 2025 BYD Atto doesn't disappoint. It has sharp, horizontal LED tail lights that stretch across the width of the car, enhancing its futuristic appeal. There's also a subtle spoiler that adds to its sporty look, while a clean bumper design rounds out the look, creating a cohesive design that's both modern and functional. BYD has also made sure that the build quality is solid, with high-quality materials and attention to detail that you can feel. This isn't just a car that looks good, it's built to last. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. Well, figuratively, since this is an EV, the 2025 BYD Atto is powered by BYD's advanced electric motor technology, which provides a smooth, powerful driving experience. This model is available in both single motor and dual motor options, with the latter offering all-wheel drive capabilities for enhanced performance and stability. The single motor version is perfect for daily commuting and offers a nice balance between power and efficiency. On the other hand, the dual motor option is ideal if you want a bit more power and traction, especially useful in areas with rougher terrains or variable weather conditions. The Atto's electric motor delivers instant torque, which makes acceleration feel smooth and responsive. Whether you're navigating through city traffic or merging onto the highway, the Atto offers plenty of power to keep things lively. It's quick off the line, reaching 0 to 60 mph in just under 7 seconds in the single motor variant and around 5 seconds with the dual motor setup. The different drive modes, Eco, Normal, and Sport, allow you to tailor the driving experience to your preference. Eco mode optimizes battery efficiency for a longer range, Normal mode provides a balanced drive, and Sport mode delivers a more dynamic feel, ideal for spirited driving. One of the standout aspects of the 2025 BYD Atto is its battery life and range. BYD has equipped this model with its latest Blade battery technology, known for its safety and durability. On a full charge, the single motor version offers a range of approximately 300 miles, while the dual motor version gives around 280 miles, making it highly competitive in the EV market. Charging is also convenient using a fast charger. You can get the battery from 20% to 80% in just about 30 minutes, so you'll spend less time waiting and more time driving. Regenerative braking is another feature that helps extend the range as it recovers energy during braking and feeds it back to the battery. Now let's discuss pricing. The 2025 BYD Atto is positioned as an affordable, high-quality EV, making it accessible to a wider range of buyers. The base model with the single-motor configuration starts around $45,000, which is competitive given its features and range. If you opt for the dual-motor version, the price increases, reaching up to $52,000 with premium features and additional options. BYD offers various trims and customization packages, allowing buyers to add features like an upgraded sound system, panoramic sunroof, and a premium interior finish. Additionally, incentives for electric vehicles can make the BYD Atto even more affordable. Many regions offer tax credits or rebates which could help reduce the initial cost. Considering its range, build quality, and tech, the BYD Atto offers excellent value for the price, making it an attractive option for those looking to enter the EV space without stretching their budget too far. In conclusion, the 2025 BYD Atto is a strong contender in the electric SUV market, bringing together style, functionality, and performance at a price point that's accessible. The interior is thoughtfully designed with a focus on comfort and tech, making every drive enjoyable. The exterior gives it a bold, modern look that turns heads, while the performance and range offer more than enough for daily drives and longer journeys. If you're considering an EV that balances affordability with premium features, the BYD Atto should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth car reviews coming soon.